Yesterday, we began to read the myth of Prometheus to get the gist. Today, we're going to reread the same myth to dig deeper into the elements of mythology and the themes so you will be able to write an analytical mini essay of your own about the myth of Prometheus. So, you might be thinking, why am I going to reread this again? I've already read it once. So, we're going to think about and reflect upon things good readers do. And so, one of the things that good readers do is they reread text multiple times. And the reason why is remember at this top part of questioning text where it says, like, number one, we initially question a text to focus its attention on structure, language, ideas, and perspectives. So when we initially read a text, we are really focusing on kind of what the text is saying and how it's set up, but we aren't always getting the whole idea or the deeper picture of a text. And then we move into sharpening your focus about the specific details of the text. So rereading it helps us with comprehending the text a lot better, especially when it's a hard text like Prometheus. From there are other I can statements. One, I can use details to make a claim about the elements of mythology in the myth of Prometheus. So we're making a claim about the elements of mythology, which we have in our interactive notebook in the myth of Prometheus. And so we're going to have to make those connections across two texts. And so when we're looking at using details, so that was part of our I can statement here, we are then going to be focusing in on the topic, information, and ideas because it's pulling in what ideas are described in detail. So when we look at that, we're pulling in those ideas and then we're connecting the text. That is also in how do the ideas relate to what I already know. So there's two pieces in that topic, information, and ideas that we're going to focus on. And then we also have this I can statement of I can use details to make a claim about a theme of the myth of Prometheus. Finding the theme and using those details is a higher order thinking skill. So that's a lot harder to do, but that's also in the area of what ideas are described in detail. What do I learn about the topic as I read? So that goes along with this one. What is this text mainly about? And what information or idea does this text present? So that's also like that message that we're supposed to be getting. So these are the areas that we're focusing on today while we're reading, rather than just the structure and the language. By rereading that, that's going to help us understand it so we're going to be able to write our own mini essay.